Good day and welcome back once again to another crypto live session. And of course, this is Know Your DeFi. So yeah, I believe last weekend, I taught you guys about how you can able to swap, how you can able to bridge. Okay, so for this week, I'm going to share with you regarding about how you can able to stake your crypto. Okay, whether it's from Ethereum mainnet base or whichever network. And of course, let's get started here. So share the screen. Okay, so all right, this is the one. Share again. Yeah, Chrome. Okay, guys. So yeah, let's get started here. So what we can see here is that this is a DeFi platform. This is for staking, and this is called Compound. So called app.compound.finance is also one of the DeFi platform where you can able to stake. And of course, I think this you can also supply and borrow as well, lend and borrow as well. Okay, so yeah, I think what you can do here, okay, for this tutorial, if you look at the dashboard, okay, for this tutorial here, okay, for Compound. So there are many. Okay, you got Uniswap as well. Okay, and you got Compound, you got Curve, you can able to stake. Okay, so yeah, because some of them they are called staking, some of them they're called supply or borrow. So if let's say if you just want to stake, usually you will go for supply. Okay, so supply, right? And then of course, first thing what we want to do is that we want to start off by connecting with our wallet first. So we're going to connect wallet and we're going to go to here, right? MetaMask. And then you can choose like, for example, this tutorial, I'm going to choose for Rabi wallet. So choose Rabi and then connect your wallet. Okay, so I've already connect my wallet and then there are a lot of networks here you can able to choose from. Okay, you can able to supply USDC, you can supply Ethereum, okay, for this tutorial. So for this tutorial, maybe I'm going to choose outside from Ethereum, okay? So maybe like last tutorial I did about Arbitrum and Base as well. So probably maybe I'm going to go for this. So go for Arbitrum here, okay? So do I have enough Arbitrum to support for this? Probably yes, right? I have about 0.00015 of Arbitrum. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to click supply Ethereum and I'm going to, okay, if I click max, what will be the amount here? 0.00015, but probably I might want to go lesser than that, probably 0.1, okay? And then what I'm going to do is that I want to click add action, okay? And then you can see here pending action, okay? Supply ETH, okay, of 0.0001. So submit transaction. Now I'm going to switch network because I think I was in the Ethereum network. So I'm going to switch to Arbitrum and then submit transaction. And then I submit again. So it will pop up this box here, asking me to confirm. All right, you can see here, asking me to confirm. So you can see the fees is only about 0.0056. And then I click sign and confirm for the Arbitrum network. Okay, so that is done. And then I'm going to share again. Okay, so complete transaction, done. Okay. Okay, so I have to click again. And then it will pop up the box, similar box. Okay, so I'm going to share again. All right, so it charged me about 2 cents to stake for Arbitrum. So totaling about 29 cents to stake. So confirm. Okay. All right. So I believe it's also done. So let me share again. Okay, so I have already staked. Okay. And if you can see here, supplying 0.0001 at 29 cents of current value. Okay, so this is how you can be able to stake. Right? If you want to unstake, you can simply click withdraw ETH, click max or whichever, and then click add action, and then submit transaction if you want. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you just only for staking. Okay, so if let's say we go to the dashboard, okay, for this platform, okay, right, and then we can also refresh. If you want to confirm, right, you can go to app, or you can simply go to app.compound.finance in order for you to check your supply. There you can see here. Okay, you just need to go for a specific network in order for you to supply. And then let's move on with the next one. for another exercise. We can go for base. Okay, so I want to switch to base for Ethereum again. Okay, because I think this is the only one I have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to supply again. Okay, so 0001, add action. Okay, submit transaction, switch network from arbitrum to base, submit again, and submit transaction. So it'll pop up the same box again. So I just need to confirm. Okay, so I think this one you should know how to do it. You need to confirm first, approve. And then secondly is to confirm, complete transaction. Okay, pop up the same box again to confirm this transaction, right? So yeah, another 29 cents worth of Ethereum has been staked. Okay, so you can see here now it's already been staked. Okay, it's already been staked for base. Okay, so yeah, I think that's all about it, how you can be able to stake. And then if you want to withdraw, you can just simply withdraw, click max, add action, submit transaction. Okay, and then you want to click sign and submit. Okay, so that's how you do it.